Girl, it's up to you, but I dey pray you say I do. Go tell your papa, say na me they come for you. Beautiful POOLEY. See you, baby. Enkies. Friend of body. Boys up. Fine boy, no they talk chow. Who didn't send me girlfriend to come in? Me say we you POOLEY. Bra, with them in cow. Ain't your bar mercy. Who pay you? Who KOD? Who too many DNA upon chin enemy? Second TV, a name, I'm from who you beautiful podium cause. Hey, yeah, me too.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited to bring you a new hair video. This time is Divas Wigs. So Divas Wigs sends me this gorgeous straight platinum blonde full lace wig that we're working with, and it's a Brazilian hair human hair wig. So I did a few adjustments on it as for securing it and all that, and I used this DNA straightener to obtain the bone straight structure that you see here. It came pretty straight, but to have it like bone straight, you know, I went in with the straightener a little bit. If you want to see how I worked on this hair to customize and install it, please stay tuned. So the hair comes in this lovely packaging, and we have a flyer with the gorgeous model, this gorgeous necklace, and the fishnet wig cap. So all together everything. And here's the wig. It's a full lace wig, as you can see, with 4 combs, and that's the part is very useful because it's gonna serve as guide for me to sew on the elastic band, as you can see. So I'm doing the elastic band because I want the lace front of the wig to really lay flat once I wear it. So now we're going to do some customizing. So I clip off the hair and section some baby hairs. As you can see, it came with baby hairs already, but for me they are too long. So because I want something realistic, I'm gonna wet the baby hairs and use my tweezer to pluck the hairline a little bit more to suit my taste. And then after the slight plucking, I'll just go in and pluck a little bit more of the parting as well. Now I'm using a razor comb to shorten the baby hair even more. So take your time for this. So the razor comb is really good. It helps me not to have like a blunt cut. So yeah, now it looks a little bit more realistic. I'm just going to play with the wig and see how the baby hair will lay. So the ideal thing is to make it look as realistic as possible. So this is just a trial, so I'm also cutting more just for me to be sure the baby hair is not too long. So here I'm showing you the wig cap, which is obviously too light, so I'm going to use this got to be glue spray, and then I customize it with my foundation. Now on to the fitting. I just put the wig on and I start cutting following my hairline after clipping the hair off the hairline. So now it's done and we're ready, and there's my customized wig cap, and then I just put the wig on and I adjust it. And now we're going to use this pulley and the got-to-be glue thing. I first clip the hair off my hairline to be able to section out some hair. So the comb I'm using is the heatless comb by DNA. So I will be using their straightener flat iron later. So I just do the baby hair very simple like this, and then I comb the hair, and we are getting ready to straighten this hair. So I use this Tresemme heat protectant, and then I clip the hair out of the way, and then I spray the hair with the heat protectant, and I start to straighten the hair. So I take my time using the heatless comb and the straightener. I go through the hair to obtain a bone straight finish. So take your time. This straightener is amazing. It's not even giving me any headache to use. So that's it. And now I use the Tresemme hairspray, and our hair is ready. There's the back, so it's 22 inches, and voila.
It go better for you every day. I see better for me every day. Manpower,
Thank you so much for watching.